Oh, he lost the ball completely. Zaman down at square leg, he completely lost the ball, and Azharrudin picks up another boundary, this time in front of square. Over mid-on, that's 4 more, slightly more dangerous because it was just over mid-on. He hadn't quite placed it very well, but he had enough wood on that shot. That's gone over mid-on for 4 more. I tell you what, there are very, very few people sitting just now at the Eden Gardens. He's golden. Or as you know, he's gone for 4. Stunning that. I thought I saw Azharrudin just walk off, but that was a stunning shot. That's up for 4 more. Can you match this? Just slugged the ball through mid-wicket. Also a no ball. He took his chance. That's 4 in a row. Where is Klusener going to bowl next? This, to put it quite frankly, is unbelievable stuff. That's 5 in a row. He's bowling to his string, and these balls are just disappearing to the distant corners of the Eden Gardens. 21 from the over, 220 for 7.